How to find your perfect niche on YouTube. 2 simple steps. What if you're uploading random videos like football, health related on the same channel? Or after it suddenly switches towards beauty tips or gaming just because that's your affinity? After all, you must be waiting to become successful on YouTube with a bit of arbitrary topics, right? Wrong. You must have heard that famous saying, don't become a wandering generality. Be meaningfully specific. That's the core of today's video. So we are here once again to help you guys choose your perfect niche on YouTube in 2 simple ways. We have simplified this video and split it up into 2 categories, or you can say the 2 ways. So here's a question. What is a niche? Well, a niche is basically a topic, a subject, or the theme of your channel to make videos about. Choosing a niche is something really significant as it's going to help you to specify your YouTube channel and assist you to make notable content for it. Well, let's overview this video. We're going to set out 2 simplest ways to choose the perfect niche for your YouTube channel. If you have more money, then you have to do a lot of research and create content by yourself, which is a good thing as well as productive. For this, you have to keep in mind some important factors, which we're going to share in the first method. While on the other hand, you don't need to be an expert. And for the second way, you don't have to put in your effort and your time. Want to see what it is? Stay connected. Before getting into the video, let's unfold something that will leave you awe-inspired. Can anyone guess? Well, here's what you're looking for. Yes, the giveaway. We are giving a total of 15 monetized channels, and the winners will be announced on the 30th of September. How? Only you have to subscribe to this channel and let us know through your comments that you have subscribed. Or simply write, I subscribed. For further details, find us on Instagram under the same name, Cash Cow Creators. It's a piece of cake, guys. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First method. In this method, you have to look at certain factors that are passion, knowledge, demand, competition. Passion or interest. So ask yourself, what are you passionate about? Is it cooking? No? Okay, art? Or maybe gaming? Try to figure it out, or you can simply take suggestions from your family and your friends. I always recommend listing down all the niches that you're interested in and then get to the bottom of the one that you can discuss for hours. If you find the one that you're interested in, take no time to adopt it. If you're passionate about whatever skills you have, then you can easily teach them to your audience and be able to sort out the issues your audience may face. Knowledge. After identifying your interest, figure out what you know about it. Are you having a perfect knowledge in your passion? If yes, that's pretty good. But it's not a matter of making 2 or 3 videos and resting back to wait for your earnings. It might be a matter of months, literally. So if there's anything you've mastered and can teach easily to your audience, then go ahead. Use your knowledge to offer your audience some extra value. Make sure that people learn and enjoy while they're at it. Demand. Did you check out whether there's any demand for your topic or not? There must be, because nowadays YouTube has sorted out all your problems. But that's not my point. Research your topic and analyze whether people are hunting it or not. If there isn't any demand for your topic, then you might not get a bigger audience. Mainly, our motive is to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, earning and teaching skills side by side. Note, if you want to show off your hobby, then no need to hunt for the demand. If you can create something super exciting out of your hobby, then you can create the demand yourself. Competition. First way. Okay guys, so what's the best way to get rid of competition? Niche down. Like if we're already working on a broader niche like traveling and we niche down this, it means we have to be more focused and specific. For example, a channel only about traveling for food. If you want to be more specific in this niche, you can go for niches like traveling for street food. Got that? So this way, you can easily level down the competition. This was the first way. Second way. For the second and easiest way, simply go to the most approved and admired tool called Vidic. Let's say you're choosing to go on laptop niche. Simply go to the Google search bar and write Vidic. Open the official site and fill up the required information like email address and password for free. Now at the top of the page, you'll see keywords. Click on it and simply write down your keyword on the search keyword bar. If your niche is, for example, best laptop, search it down and see here's too high a competition. Well, it doesn't mean we have to drop this niche and we can't work on it anymore. Of course, you can put effort into this niche, but in a unique way. Hang on, let's search out some specific laptops like HP Spectre X36014. Wow, too low a competition. It means this technique is best to select a niche with low competition. Let's give you another example. Now, write down another category like LG Gram 17. Check out the competition. Now that's way too low. Brilliant. Now wasn't that a piece of cake, guys? Note, when people talk about niching down, they mean getting more focused on an area of a broader topic. If you're in it just for fun, it really doesn't matter what niche you go for as long as you're passionate and knowledgeable about it. The second way. Now let us tell you the most trending way to go about YouTube. In this way, you don't need to be passionate about a certain thing, or even 10% knowledge about the niche would be good to go. Only you have to choose a high-paying niche. You must be thinking about how to create content then, without any knowledge? Don't worry, if you have enough time as compared to money, then being with the first method is perfect. Or if you have more money than time, then this method is definitely for you guys. Let us explain the procedure. Firstly, choose a high-paying niche. Which niche would be perfect for your channel? Well, this is the question that stops a lot of people to start or even create a YouTube channel. So, here we got you covered. Choose a niche that has a high CPM. For example, health and fitness, tech reviews, gaming, traveling, cooking, etc. Go for topic ideas. Well, that's the most crucial thing after deciding a niche for a YouTube channel. You have to choose topics for content that are engrossing and compelling, yet relevant. For this purpose, first step is to go to the Google search bar and write "Answer the Public", then go to its official page. Here, after a little bit of scrolling down, you'll find the phrase "Discover what people are asking about" right below it. There is a search bar where you are supposed to write down your keyword. Let's say it's "make money online". Click on the search icon. Wait for a few moments and you'll be having a lot of topic ideas, like a lot. You can pick any suitable idea and paste it on the YouTube search bar. Here you can have many ideas regarding your topic, or you'll better know how to write down your topic. That's interesting as well as trending. It's that simple. Find the content creators. Now in this method, another important step is to find freelancers for your work. You have to go for an engaging scriptwriter, then a voiceover artist, and finally a video editor. You can easily hire different freelancers from freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork at different prices. Or if you don't want to bear the headache of multiple hirings, dealing with each freelancer and paying them separately, it's better to go for a content creation team. Or you can simply contact us. Why? Because we've got an experienced team. Let me tell you a fact. The team is better if you're concerned about quality work and reasonable prices. Only you have to discuss your niche with us, or even we can suggest the high-paying niche for your YouTube channel, and the rest of the headache is ours. Also, you'll get hooked up script, exciting and energetic voiceover, and high-quality video editing within reasonable prices and discounts. This way, you can avoid the burden of finding different freelancing websites and freelancers at different prices. That was all for today's video. If you guys like it, then do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below on what you guys need to know more about it. We'd love to hear. We'll be back with more. Up till then, stay connected.